Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trending Tech. Today we are going to unbox very much very good interesting. So that is the boAt's watch. So this is a new version, guys. Actually, there are two versions of the boAt watch. One is like a boAt Storm, that is it's already released like long back, some 6 months or 1 year back. And this is a boAt's Flash. This is actually a very nice watch. It has like a very good features and a lot of very interesting things. So it's like IPX6 water resistant, and so also like it has like a music control, IP6 dust, sweat and splash proof, and also it controls sleep monitor, and also it's like a full touch 4.5 mm touch one. Okay, yeah, let's unbox. So this is a dial, guys. Actually, so this is the strap. Actually, the strap is like a silicone strap. It feels very comfortable and nice, and the color, the blue, is very nice actually here. Yeah, actually, yeah, very soft and nice. So this is actual watch. So it's actually it's coming around like 54 grams when compared to Realme, like it's 34 grams. And let's see what are the contents inside. So it has like a warranty card and also some manuals and instructions, nothing much. So they're given some kind of data cable. Actually, it's kind of a magnetic data cable. It just sticks like you need to connect to the power cable and just stick back to that magnetic. It just sticks into your boAt's watch. Okay, so you need to charge initially for some time. So this is like 1 year warranty card. Yes friends, here is my dial. Actually, this is the watch. So this looks like the display is really good. So I thought it could be like an IPS display, but it's not an IPS display, but it displays really decent and clean. So like I also like compared with this my my band 4. So actually it gives accurate results. Okay, so let's see like how it goes. Like we are seeing like what are the features inside. Okay, so this is a watch dial. So there are plenty of dials. I'll show you. Okay, and here is a brightness. We can adjust the brightness like however you want. So you can adjust, for example, if you're in the sunlight, you can increase more. And so there is a night mode they're given. You can enable or disable. And another one is for the flashlight. So it's kind of like it provides a kind of like full glow, and for example for the messages, other one. So this is the watch faces. Actually, there are a lot of watch faces. You can choose the watch faces from your phone and also from your app also. Okay, so this is for the sleep tracker, this is for the weather, this is for the music. Yeah, this is for the sports. Actually, then there is a breathe. The sports we have walk, run, cycling, and the climb, yoga, basketball, football, and badminton, skip, and the swimming also there. Okay, so if you want to come back, just need to put it that one. Okay, so that it will come back, and you can there. So you can set like what is the number of times. So for example, the meditation and all. You can set like it's kind of the count you can set like for 1 minute, and also like medium phase. So this is for the breathing one. So you can stay still, and it vibrates actually whenever you are doing kind of it gives a signal like vibration whenever you want to inhale or whenever you want to exhale. This is really nice feature, like if you have a lot of stress or something, if you want to manage the stress. This is this is actually a cool feature nowadays in the smartwatches. So this is really a good option, guys. So when you want to stop, click on that one button, it will just stop it. Okay, yeah, let's check for the stopwatch we have. It's really cool, like you just press on that, click on that, it will go back. Then the screen timer. So the screen timer which lets you to like the on display would be on for 13 seconds, like when you tap, or you can lift the wrist, right? That one. And this is the watch faces, guys, I was talking about. You can choose it like on plenty of number of watch faces here. Okay, so you can just click on this, it will go back. And let me check this blood oxygen. Yeah, let's see like let's see some kind of settings now. So maybe you can do some kind of the blood oxygen now. Okay, so it's counting blood oxygen. So it shows 95 for me. Okay, so this is other QR code, the boAt option, and let's see like what are the other options you can explore. This for the sleep tracking. Maybe I need to sleep and wear it in sleep and to see like if it how it goes. So actually there is an app for that. So actually there are two apps in the Play Store. If you go to the Play Store, actually, okay, there is kind of a boAt wearables and also like a boAt gear watch and all. So boAt gear will not work. Okay, boAt gear will work for only for you. If you have a boAt watch which is a Strom, that is a old version, so that will work. Actually for the new version they are given some kind of template. You just need to scan in your camera so that it will let you to install this boAt wearables. This boAt wearable is like this is for the latest generation of the boAt watch. Actually it provides really very good accuracy, and also the pairing is very simple, guys. I'm showing all these instructions. This is the one I was talking about. When you go to the Play Stores, right, you can search for the boAt. Actually it will redirect you to the boAt's gear and all, the pro gear. Actually this is not the software, guys. Actually using this software, actually this will not work, okay, because initially I tried this one because it didn't work. So please don't do this mistake, okay. So please use the boAt's wearable which is they have given in their leaflet, okay. So I'm installing right now. So after the installation, so we'll see how to sync and how to set it up. It's really straightforward, guys. You don't need to do anything and all. I thought first it would ask us to create account creation and all, but it does not ask me anything, okay. Straight away it just paired and synced all this information, okay. So I'm just open that one. So here the app got opened, okay. So it asks for the location details, okay. I just need to provide the location details. It will accept on all this information. Also it will ask you to select the notifications and all. You need to enable the notifications, and also so this kind of some kind of app permissions and everything, okay. And you just need to click everything, okay. Then it is a place like where it finds and try to pair that watch one again. So it found that pair. So you just need to flash, okay. So you just need to select the boAt's flash. Actually it paired that option, okay. So after that actually it just connected, okay. So after that it will ask me like what is my information and all, okay. Like I need to select like how old I am, and like what is gender, and what are my goals for the day and all, okay. So just need to provide all the things. So once everything is set, so this is the actual device, guys. Actually it will show like all these interfaces, okay. So where we can keep track of our goals, our sleep and everything, walk, everything, okay. So this is the main app for doing all the activities. So this is actual watch, this actual interface. Actually this is really nice. And if you want to count your heart rate and sleep, you can go here and do it, okay. So and also like even in the app also you can change your app faces and all. So I need to go to the settings for that. I'll show you in wait a minute. Here is the place, guys, okay. You can select like multiple watch faces, like so many attractive watch faces, and also you can download latest ones, okay. And there is like a find my band option, so that will help you to do the finding my band, okay. So when you click on that, it will try to find your band, okay. So this is like pretty much a really good option, guys. As far as I could see, the app is really good. Actually it works very well. Yeah, actually I wanted to do some kind of a real-time test for the MI band and MI4. Actually this is the time I noted before the workout, okay. After the workout it's like showing almost accurate details, okay, for both hands. I'm just walking around the lane. So after my workout it shows accurate details, guys. Actually that's all, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to purchase for this product, okay. And also please like this video, and please consider sharing this video to others, and also please subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.